Another amazing custom ROM just dropped for the Poco F6 and Redmi Turbo 3. This is Project ASCP, and it takes pixel-style smoothness to the next level.
The theveraxtv.
Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to flash it on your device. All right, let's get into it.
Before we touch anything, quick checklist. Don't skip this part. Battery above 50%. Back up your data, trust me, always do it. Power off your phone. Now press volume down plus power to enter Fastboot mode. Plug it into your PC using a reliable cable, nothing fancy, just something that works. Next up, downloads. You'll need Project ASCP ROM, the image files, and platform tools. Once downloaded, drop all image files straight into the platform tools folder. Clean setup, no mess. Now open Command Prompt inside that folder. Run the commands exactly as shown on screen. You'll see the images, including recovery, flash almost instantly. Once it's done, reboot directly into recovery. In recovery, go to Install Update ADB Sideload. Back on your PC, drag the Project ASCP zip into the window and run the sideload command. A warning, if the progress freezes around 47%, don't panic, that's completely normal. It finishes in the background, just give it a second. When it's done, you may get this pop-up message. Just cap yes and device will automatically reboot to recovery. After reboot, perform a factory reset. This step is important. It keeps things smooth, stable, and conflict-free. And we're in. Right away, the animations feel cleaner. The UI looks intentional, minimal, sharp, and responsive. Scrolling is fast, touch feels tighter, and the whole system just feels like it can breathe. Extras like charging control, game bar, and customization tools really push this ROM into daily driver territory. Your Poco F6 just leveled up.
And that's it. Simple, clean, and surprisingly fast. If this video helped you out, drop a like. Comment which ROM you want to see next, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.